I am trying to get audio feedback to work on a Mac. I am currently using Chrome and I updated to Adobe Flash 10. Then I went into Flash Player and I had to come up here to the little lock, and I had to allow Flash and allow automatic downloads. And once I did that, I reloaded the page, which brought this up. And now when I go and click record, nothing happens. Clear looks like it does something. Check the Flash settings. I see allow. Remember, this is fine. The Microsoft Live Chat is my microphone. I can even get the camera to work. So there I am in the camera. But when I close this and try to record, it's not allowing me to record.